How to fix Play Store not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search Play Store app. After search Play Store, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache Play Store app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, so check your network. You will see. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.